This simple salad often turns out soggy, and most people mess up the very first step. Use only the leafy part of the Napa cabbage. Don't cut it. Tear it by hand into even pieces. This helps it hold onto the dressing and gives a better texture. Rinse well, then dry it completely. Any extra moisture will prevent the dressing from sticking. Now let's make the dressing. Add tahini, sugar, salt, a bit of sesame oil, Chinese black vinegar, dark soy sauce for color, and a touch of honey. Mix until smooth. It should have a creamy, silky texture similar to a smooth sauce. Pour it over the cabbage. Toast until everything is evenly coated. As you can see, every piece is fully coated and there's no excess dressing left at the bottom of the bowl. Finish with a sprinkle of black sesame seeds. Thanks for cooking with me. If you like recipes like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.